So to create this look, firstly I sponged some gold paint around my eye. Made sure the edges were blended out nicely by using a dry part of the sponge to buffer the edges so that they fade out. I then created a double dip flower. If you don't know how to do this, then check out my other video on how to do it. But I basically used white all over the brush, and then I used yellow and then red right on the tip. I painted the flower and then the petals in a crescent moon shape going around the eye. I loaded my brush the same way you would for a double dip flower, but I did it with green all over and then white on the tip to create these leaves. With a super fine brush and a red face paint, I added these little flicked lines onto the centre of each petal. Finish off the design, I painted on these white dots. It's really important to vary the size, so do some smaller and some bigger and paint them on in little clusters. I also painted small white flicks into the centre of the leaves. And this is the finished design. I hope that you like it. It's super easy and quick. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.